Ready to turn your Wix website from a static page into a money-making machine. Let's transform it into a thriving online store in just a few steps. First, log into your Wix account and go to your website's dashboard. Click on Apps in the left-hand menu, then select Manage Apps in the search bar. Type Wix Stores and click Add to Site. Now, let's add your products. In your dashboard, find Store Products. Then click Add Product. Choose physical or digital depending on what you're selling. Fill in the product name, description, images, and pricing. Don't forget to add variations like size and color. Then click Save. Next up, Getting Paid. Go to Settings, then Accept Payments. Wix offers various payment options like PayPal and credit cards. Choose your preferred gateways and follow the instructions to connect them. Secure payment methods are crucial for customer trust. Time to set up shipping. Go to Settings and then Shipping and Fulfillment. Here, you can define your shipping regions, rates, and delivery times. You can offer flat rates, weight-based shipping, or even free shipping to incentivize purchases. Let's make it pretty. Go to your Wix editor. You can customize the look and feel of your store pages, product galleries, and shopping cart to match your brand. Experiment with colors, fonts, and layouts to create a visually appealing shopping experience. Finally, double-check everything: product listings, payment options, and shipping settings. Once you're happy, hit Publish. Congratulations! Your Wix website is now a fully functional online store, ready to take orders. Get ready to see those sales roll in.